Welcome back to Open House NYC.
Next, the experts at Coldwell Banker clue us in on the real value of your home. From backyard barbecues to family movie night, square footage may not be the only factor in your home's value.
Hi, I'm Sharon Steele with Coldwell Banker in Westfield, New Jersey. A recent Coldwell Banker survey has shown that buyers are going back to basics. They are making moves now based on lifestyle decisions. Today, people are looking for homes with updated kitchens and baths and open floor plans. Our survey shows that open floor plans are the most popular feature in homes. The reason for that is because it turns the home into a gathering place.
I do like open floor plans. Oh, an open floor plan is fantastic.
Yeah, open floor plans are great in a new home.
Because then I just feel like the room is bigger and...
Have the kitchen working, you can have people having the dining room working together. Yeah, it's a great way to go for a new home.
According to a recent Coldwell Banker survey, 70% of buyers say that a new baby or growth in their family is the #1 reason they purchase a new home.
Major reason that we moved in the past was for a location of where we wanted to bring up our family and have our family grow up.
I moved because we went from a small city lot to an acre lot in the country, so it just felt good to have my kids be able to go out and play.
The second most common reason we found for a move is job relocation.
I have moved, change of job.
The reason why I've moved in the past is because of my husband's job.
And 37% of people say that retirement is their reason for making a move.
Now that my daughter's gotten older, moved out of the home, we're looking for a, I'd say more high quality home, but smaller.
Homes today are more buyer ready than they may have been in the past. And the reason for that is because according to our survey, 94% of sellers are actually listening to their agents and preparing their home for sale with minor cosmetic changes. Because it is a lifestyle decision, many buyers are now looking past the four walls of a home, and they are looking closely at the neighborhood, the community, and the towns just to make sure it's a good fit for them.
Well, you got to be near the things that you like to do, the beach or the city, that kind of thing.
We've moved for the location. I think location is the most important thing when you have a family.
Today, people are taking their lives off hold and buying for lifestyle reasons. Go to ColdwellBanker.com today and try out our new lifestyle search. It can help you find a home that's a perfect fit for you.